For many Idahoans, finding affordable legal support can be out of reach. Access to Justice Idaho is working to help close that gap. And we have Sunrise Heirs and Chris Bowers. They're here to tell us all about their upcoming fundraiser and how we can all get involved. So a warm welcome to both of you.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay, let's talk about Access to Justice Idaho. Help us understand how this connects people with legal support.
Yeah, absolutely. So I think a lot of people assume that if you get into a legal pinch that you'll maybe get a free lawyer from the county or from the state. And that can be the case in some criminal cases. But for most of us, when we encounter a legal hurdle, it's actually in the civil side. It's you're a domestic violence survivor who needs custody of your kids, or you've received an eviction notice or foreclosure notice. And in those instances, you're not guaranteed a free lawyer. So if you can't afford an attorney, Access to Justice Idaho is a group of 3 nonprofits that provides free attorneys for low-income people, domestic violence survivors, people with disabilities, and other Idahoans who need that type of legal support.
I had no idea this existed, and what a fantastic resource.
Thank you.
Why am I just now hearing about this? Thank you. Thank you for being here. All right.
Thank you.
So Justice Uncorked, though.
Yes.
That's a great way to spread the awareness, but also raise some funds to make sure you can provide these types of services. So tell us a little bit about this event.
Yeah, so Justice Uncorked is our kind of key fundraising event. It's only our 2nd year holding Justice Uncorked. But this year we're holding it at Split Rail Winery on September 17th. And it's an opportunity to help us raise funds, and you'll get to hear from some of the clients that we've served and hear about the impact. And so it's a fun night and meaningful at the same time.
Oh, I love this. I'm loving everything about this. Okay. What can people expect when they attend the event, though? Help us understand a little bit of the atmosphere, if you will.
Yeah, you know, it's going to be just a really relaxing kind of evening. It's not seated dinner. It's catered food from a fantastic caterer. Again, it's at Split Rail Winery, so Idaho wines. And we have a silent auction with some pretty cool items, some awesome trips going to be in there. And a really good chance to interact with other like-minded individuals and community supporters. So just a lot of relaxed mingling, and again, really good wine.
Yeah, yes, exactly.
Yes.
You can't complain about the really good
No.
wine. Really good wine for a great cause. And I do want to ask really quick, if someone wants to get involved in your organization, whether it be volunteering or if they need want to give you additional support, is there a way for people to get involved?
Yeah, absolutely. So if you want to learn more about the event or donate to Access to Justice, there's a website at the bottom of the screen, and we'd love to have you check us out.
Great. And I imagine, too, if people need your services, do they go to the same location, too?
They can. They can also go to idaho-legalaid.org, but you'll also learn that at the link on the screen. Yeah.
Wonderful. Okay, and to go to the event, get all that event info right there at the bottom of your screen. Make sure you check it out. A wonderful and very necessary resource here in our community. And I'm going to remind everybody again, Justice Uncorked is happening September 17th. Again, that's at the Split Rail Winery. So wonderful eats, wonderful drinks, great atmosphere, good conversation, all for a good cause, and to raise your awareness about a really important resource in our community. So to find out how to attend, to donate, if you have any questions, visit that website right there at the bottom of your screen. And again, thank you so much for being here and for the incredible service that you provide here too.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, it's great to have you. Everyone at home, stick around because we have a lot more to come right here on Idaho Today right after the break.